What's up, people? Today's day 79, and I am looking forward to writing or finish, or at least start um, writing this next page. I started the mini comic or the booklet yesterday, so I got a decent outline, um, and it helped me kind of make a plan for like the next couple prints or memes or whatever that I might want to do, and shirts and everything like that. And there's some events coming up and everything like that. I want to make sure I know what I need to have and what I want to like give out and sell and all that kind of stuff. So I definitely want the book, this little book in my hand. So I'm gonna be doing some research, whether I go with Kablam or not, and starting off slow and small, spend a little money and have some promotional work or some merchandise, and start building up from there. But so right now, I need to write page 19. And hopefully, I think I have an idea that on what the page is going to be. So it's probably not going to be. I'm not going to be able to recycle inks or panels. So I'll. I'm sorry. I'm just tired. Yeah. What was I saying? Yeah, so I'm just gonna have to draw the page from scratch for at least most of it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna write it first. I might be able to sketch out some panels or whatnot, but probably no Photoshop today. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to just knock out the whole page. Yeah. Um, yeah.